god, there it is. Oh my god, there it is. Tropical storm warning. Oh my god. I freaking caught that!
You should need to think about it. And he didn't have an answer.
This is an activation of the emergency alert system. Please stand by.
Whoa. Okay.
A tropical storm warning, a tropical storm watch has been upgraded to a tropical storm warning for the Antelope Valley, Calabasas and Aguirre Hills, Catalina and Santa Barbara Islands, Central Ventura County Valleys, Eastern Antelope Valley Foothills, Eastern San Fernando Valley, Eastern San Gabriel Mountains, Eastern Santa Monica Mountains, Los Angeles County Beaches, Los Angeles County Inland Coast including downtown Los Angeles, Malibu Coast, Northern Ventura County Mountains, Northwestern Los Angeles County Mountains including the Interstate 5 corridor, Palos Verdes Hills, San Gabriel Valley, Santa Clarita Valley, Santa Susana Mountains, Southeastern Ventura County Valleys, Southern Ventura County Mountains, Western Antelope Valley Foothills, Western San Fernando Valley, Western San Gabriel Mountains including the Highway 14 corridor and Western Santa Monica Mountains.
Alright, this is gonna count as the KFI relay since they didn't relay on stream. But Jesus Christ, this is history in the making.